we found this cute little picnic table. It's so quiet right here. I guess I'll sit over here. And we brought a lunch to eat. Oh, it's so peaceful and quiet today.
Literally right there, the water.
Oh yeah. Let's dig in. Which way should I go? That makes you giggle. It looks like when you're trying to dive in the pool. Stop. Look. You just go. How do they do it? They go. There's so many of them jumping out. I just don't understand why they do it. I don't know if something's chasing them. It's their exit strategy. Look, that one's going. Like, what's the purpose of it? I think fish are chasing them. Oh. I don't know. There's always a bigger fish. Is that why, though? I think they just have fun doing it, honestly. They're going crazy, though. They can do it, so they will. I don't know why it makes me laugh so much. Because it doesn't look real. It looks like someone's chucking a fish out the water. No more? Oh. And they go, it heard me. So we are home now. I'm literally editing the vlog as I'm in the process of filming. But I forgot to film an outro. But basically after the park, we went to a bookstore and got coffee, and then came home, and now I'm just editing. Dexter's in the game room, chilling and doing reels and stuff. It's so hot today, so we were like, the sun drained us so much, but it was nice getting out. But yeah, I thought it would be good to film an outro for this video because it would just end on a weird note, or like a random note. So yeah, thank you everyone for watching. I know we haven't uploaded in a long time. It's been a lot. Like, we've just been doing so much, like fixing up the house. Like, this is all painted. Like, our bedroom is painted. The ceiling got painted. We got baseboards and stuff installed. New flooring. There's just a lot going on. My nose itches. And we're hoping to get back to regular streaming and upload, like YouTube uploads and stuff like that. So it's a process. But thank you everyone for watching. Yeah, see you next time.